Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. If you're a subscriber, then welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. I hope you enjoy the content. And if you do, then please consider subscribing to the channel and also click on that bell icon to be notified of all new uploads. Also, please click on the thumbs up button, whether you're a subscriber or not a subscriber, because that does help out the channel and it will also help push this video out to new people. Now, in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at Golden Finance. Golden Finance is a brand new rebasing platform that's soon to launch on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, I've been fortunate enough to get information prior to launch from the developers and the team behind Golden Finance. So today, we're going to have a look at this project and see why it's different from all those other rebasing projects out there. So let's jump on over to Golden Finance and find out more. So this is the Golden Finance website, and this is actually the very first time I've seen this website. I've not even scrolled down past this welcome video yet. So what we're seeing here is as new to me as it is to you guys. Now, for complete transparency, the team did reach out to me a few days ago and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing Golden Finance on my YouTube channel. And after reading through the white paper, I did feel like it was something that I'm definitely interested in, and hopefully something that you guys are also interested in. Now, like I say, I've not actually had a look at this website before, so what we're seeing here is going to be as much as a surprise to me as it is to you. I don't know how much of the website is actually completed yet. You know, the team did ask me to just go through the white paper, so I'm not going to spend too much time on the website. I just want to go through the white paper and explain to you what the project is and how it works and go through some of the tokenomics and things. But we'll just take a quick look at the website anyway, and you know, see what we've got. So obviously we've got links to the white paper and links to the DApp. The DApp does launch if we click on it, but obviously it's not live yet. It doesn't actually go live for another 16 days when the pre-sale starts, which we will take a look at the pre-sale details shortly. So just coming back to the site here, obviously we've got some about information. We've got an audit from Certic. This doesn't actually click live yet, so again, you know, this is brand new website, so I'm sure some of these features will be available in the coming days. Then we've got a roadmap. We're currently at this stage here, the initial building phase, and we'll be onto the pre-sale very soon, in just 2 weeks from now, and the audits will be live then as well. What else have we got? Tokenomics, some details of tokenomics. We'll go through this in the white paper itself, and then we've got details of how to buy the gold token, which is the native token of Golden Finance, and you can buy that using BNB. And then we've got details regarding our pre-sale and launch are all within our Discord. So there's links to the Discord and there's links to Twitter. I'll leave those links to both of those platforms down below, and I'm sure there'll be other social platforms launched in the coming days. But like I say, the website isn't actually complete yet, so all of these details still need to be added, the audits, etc. So keep an eye on the website for those updates. I'm sure they'll be happening in the next few days, certainly before the project launches. So in the meantime, let's take a look at the white paper. Now, obviously, I'm not going to read through all of this white paper for you guys. You're more than capable of reading the information yourselves, and there's nothing more uninteresting and tedious than listening to someone read through a white paper. But obviously, I do suggest that you read all of the white paper. You know, some people just want to pick and choose which parts of it they want to read, maybe the tokenomics and meet the team, etc. But I do suggest that you read all of the white paper, because sometimes there is information tucked away in places where you wouldn't expect, relevant information. So, you know, read through all of it. It's not even a big white paper, this one, so, you know, it shouldn't take you too long, but it's always best to read through all of the information. Now, I'm just going to go through some of the key points here and some of the reasons why I'm interested in this project and what kind of sets it apart from similar projects. So if we just come down to this section here, what makes us different? Every day there's a new rebase project in DeFi, and there's one thing that they all have in common: a lack of sustainability and transparency. And we've all seen it, you know, these ridiculously high APYs that are not sustainable. Lack of transparency, you know, this team here is publicly doxed. If we just jump on over to meet the team here, we can see the team comprises of 3 Swiss venture capitalists and financial computer science engineers. We are all publicly doxed to ensure that transparency is clear with our investors. And then we've got some information about the 3 key people behind the project: Victor Kozlov, Christian Goodall, and Ian Fredrickson. Now, I have tried to find these guys on the internet, see if they're on LinkedIn. I can't actually find these guys, but there might be a reason for that. I will reach out to the team and try to get some more information about that. But we'll probably see more information on the website soon when the public docs link is available. But yeah, you don't often see the team showing the faces and giving out the names and some of the background. So let's just jump back. Now, one thing I will say, guys, again, I say this in every video, just because a team is doxed, or just because there's been a KYC done, or just because a project has been audited, it doesn't 100% guarantee that project. So that's just a disclaimer, and something you should bear in mind. Don't take it for granted that a project is safe just because these things happen and have taken place. For me, it does add credibility to a project, and it is something that I will use as a decision maker, really, if I'm going to put money into a project. It's not the be all and end all for me. Just because a team isn't doxed or KYC'd, it doesn't mean I won't invest into it. But when they are, it does add that little bit more credibility, and it is something that I like to see. So anyway, getting back to what makes us different. That's why we have a fixed APY of 10,000, and after 6 months we'll switch to a dynamic APY. No hiding from changing the APY or hiding from the reality that a 100k APY is far too high. We are the first DeFi project to have a Fortune 500 company partnership. This will provide us with huge exposure and will create a substantial revenue stream, further supporting sustainability. Now that, if that takes place, which I'm sure it will, they put it in the white paper here, then that is something that does set this project apart from many other projects like this, and something that really, really appeals to me. Now, details of who this Fortune 500 company is have not been released as yet, but hopefully that will be coming soon. Probably released on the Discord server before anywhere else, so make sure you join the Discord server to find out more about that. And join the Discord server anyway. If you've got any questions or comments, then join that Discord server, because the team is always present there and they will answer any questions that you might have. But this Fortune 500 company partnership is something that really, really appeals to me. As part of our tokenomics to promote and ensure sustainability, we will have a dedicated burn wallet that will be rebasing, and a large portion of our taxes will go to that wallet. Additionally, we'll also have a buyback and burn function each week that will be a percentage of total LP, further contributing to our burn wallet. So that's great. Again, supporting sustainability, we will be paired with a stable coin on BSC. Now, I love the fact that this platform is on the Binance Smart Chain, really cheap fees, and just a really stable network. I love the Binance Smart Chain, so I'm really, really pleased about that. With the ability to switch to the network's native token whenever we want. This will ensure that during market downtrends we can have a stable and reliable price. Likewise, as the markets rally, we can switch back to the native token, which will allow us to get the best of both worlds from our investors. Fantastic. I love the fact that they can switch between the native token, which is the gold token, and the BNB token. We will have the most sustainable crypto projects in DeFi. Don't believe us? That's fine. Watch from the sidelines and miss this golden opportunity. So I love that, there's plenty of features there that make this project different from all of the other rebasing projects out there. And I really hope that we see this happening a lot more with other projects as well. So let's come on over to the tokenomics and just have a look at the token itself. So the token name is Golden Finance. The token symbol is gold. The initial launch price will be 0.1 USDC. The initial supply will be 100 million tokens. There will be a rebase rate of 0.0265%. The frequency of rebases will be 48 times a day or every 30 minutes, which is quite common. I've seen one recently that's going to be doing it every single minute, but I think, that's probably far too frequent. I do like this every 30 minutes frequency. There's a daily percentage rate of 1.272%, and there's an annual percentage yield of 10,000%. And that's, when we said before, is fixed for the first 6 months. So pre-sale starts in 16 days, and the pre-sale tokens will be 16% of the total allocation, which is 16 million. The gold vault will be 55%, which is 55 million. Liquidity will be 14%, 14 million. And strategic partnerships and marketing will be 15% or 15 million tokens. And then we've got some further information about the token allocation down here, which you can read in your own time. Jumping on over to the Fortune 500 company partnership page. Now, this is by far the most exciting aspect of this project as far as I'm concerned. I can't wait to hear who this Fortune 500 company is. I'm hoping that information will be released very, very shortly, certainly before the project launches in 16 days. You know, this is unprecedented, and, you know, if they pull this off, then this is just going to be a game changer in the crypto space. It does say that this partnership marks only the beginning here at Golden Finance. We're the first crypto project to have obtained such a high-level partnership. We take great pride and honor in this, and you as an investor can rest assured that this partnership will yield real-world revenue. Fantastic. I cannot wait to hear who this company is. This means that despite the crypto market conditions, we will have consistent income. Many other crypto projects that claim to have real revenue are generating it from the crypto space. And it's true, you know, a lot of these companies take some of the treasury and they put it into other node projects, and then those node projects are not going anywhere, and there's no profits and no revenue to be made. You know, if they can pull this off with a Fortune 500 company, then this will be game changing. For more details, you'll have to be patient as we're under strict NDA rules for the short future. NDA meaning a non-disclosure agreement. For those who don't know, I'm sure most of you do, but for those who don't, NDA, non-disclosure agreement. So let's take a look at the pre-sale. Now, the pre-sale will start on the 30th of June at 12 AM and end on the 2nd of July. During this pre-sale, the tokens will be priced at 0.075 per gold token, so you're going to get yourself a good discount there if you buy in the pre-sale. Pre-sale purchases are only accepted in BNB. Pre-sale quantity cap of 16% of total supply, which was, I think it was 16 million, as we said earlier. Max funding able to raise is 1.2 million. Pre-sale purchase limits between $50 and $6,000 per wallet. So some good anti-whale measures there. Looking at the taxes here, there is obviously a buy and a sales tax. Death and taxes, we don't like them either, but they will allow the protocol to grow and expand while most importantly staying sustainable. The following taxes apply to buys and sells. There's a transfer tax of 10%. So if you moved it to another wallet, then there's a transfer tax of 10%. As mentioned, we're all about sustainability, meaning that a good chunk of our buy and sell taxes will be used to fund a burn wallet that will be rebasing. This means that over time, this wallet will become one of the largest wallets, quickly taking more and more tokens out of supply, increasing the value of your tokens in the long run. So there's a buy tax of 12%. Of that 12%, 6% will go to the gold vault and 6% will go to the burn wallet. There's a sell tax of 15%, and of that 15%, 5% will go to the gold vault and 10% to the burn wallet. Transfer tax of 10%, of which all of that 10% will be burned. There'll also be a one-time free transfer of your whole wallet to another wallet, most likely your ledger. So if you've got a nano ledger or something like that that you store your crypto on, then there's a free transfer for the first time. This is in place to help protect investors who didn't buy with the ledger at the start and want to transfer to a ledger later on. So that's really good. I like that feature. There's a tax-free 2% claim per week. So this is a very popular feature that some DeFi projects have adopted, and we think we can approve it. Now, quite commonly, as we have all seen recently, that is usually 1% every week, but people are saying it's too low. So on Golden Finance, that is a 2% tax-free claims per week. This increase further incentivizes people to take out profits regularly using this tax-free claim, teaching investors to have a regular profit-taking schedule. This also encourages more people to use the feature as they're getting more money tax-free, double compared to the 1%, and that's obviously the 1% on other protocols. Whale tax brackets, great. I love these features when they put whale tax brackets in. So the tax on 0 to 8,000 is a normal 50% tax. $8,001 to $20,000 is a 40% tax, and $20,001 plus there's a 70% tax. So this should hopefully prevent some of these whales selling off massive amounts of tokens. On top of this, we'll also have a daily sell limit of $30,000 per wallet. This again will ensure that people trying to game the system cannot do so. This paired with our OTC platform will revolutionize the way we handle whales and ensure sustainability of Golden Finance. Now, if you've never seen this OTC platform before, it is getting quite common now, and basically it means that these sales will take place over Discord. So if you've got a massive whale wanting to sell tons and tons of tokens, they can only do it via the OTC platform on Discord, and they will be matched with someone who's looking to buy, you know, a similar amount of tokens. So this is really good. It does prevent these massive whale dumps and, you know, big price swings. So I like to see that. Like I said, the Discord server link will be down below as well, so make sure you join the Discord, especially if you're a whale and you're looking to offload a load of tokens when you get in on this project. You know, you're going to have to do that by the OTC platform. Then we've got official links. Nothing on here yet, but there will be some links down below in the description of this video. And there are some on the website. There's a Twitter link and the Discord link as well. So that's Golden Finance. For me, this is one of the more exciting projects to be released in recent times. I mean, there's a lot of these rebasing platforms out there at the moment. And I'm not saying that, you know, they're all worthless or no good. You know, some of them are really good. But we are seeing a lot of issues with sustainability. You know, it's not helping with the market being the way it is at the moment. You know, people are just selling off a lot of tokens and it's affecting prices and things like that. But, you know, these ridiculously high APYs are obviously going to have an effect on the project in the long run. Hopefully what Golden Finance are doing here, especially with the Fortune 500 company partnership, you know, we should hopefully see some real good sustainability here. So I'm really excited for Golden Finance. You know, if you want to find out more information about it, then click on the links down below. There's a link to the Twitter, there's a link to the Discord, and all of the team members in the Discord server over there. So if you've got any questions, then jump on over there and ask them, and I'm sure they'll be happy to help. This project is launching in 16 days. I will be doing another video at launch because I will be putting some money in myself. So I want to show you guys how that process works, and then I'll probably revisit a couple of weeks down the line, a month or so down the line, and just see how that investment's getting on. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. I can't wait for this project to launch. If you've got any questions for me, then leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Make sure you come and follow me on Twitter. Also, join my Discord server if you haven't done so. And that's it. I'll see you again in another video. Thanks for watching. Take care. And as always, stay safe.